If someone lands on your website right now and asks a question, how long does it take you to respond? Most business owners think their website is doing its job because it exists, simply because it exists. But a website without instant interaction is like a store with no employees. You see what they offer, but there's no one there to help you actually make a decision.
Intelligence, we believe automation is the key to freedom. Automate more, live more.
Check this out for starters. Your business invests in marketing, right? People click to visit your website and they show interest in your products or services. But when they arrive, they see pages of information and no way to get answers to specific questions instantly, right? And when a buyer is curious and no one responds, something very, very predictable happens. They leave, right? They get distracted, they click away, and then the opportunity disappears. Not because they weren't interested, but because you didn't talk to them fast enough, right? The numbers behind this are game changing, okay? 76% of consumers prefer to contact businesses through online chat, right? They don't want to talk on the phone, they don't want to call, they want to talk through online chat. Businesses that use chatbots get up to 3 times higher lead conversion. And websites with real-time chat interaction see a 45% increase in booked appointments, right? Speed matters more than strategy once the customer is on your site, right? Let me tell you a story. I had a client named Rasha, runs a photography business. She spent money on ads, got traffic, and had a beautiful website, right? People came, they clicked around, then they left. When I asked her, well, how do people contact you from your site? She said, oh, they can fill out a form and I'll get back to them later. That right there is where she was losing 90% of her customers, right? Her website was getting traffic. People were interested and they were clicking to learn more, but there was no one there to answer questions, right? Therefore, the attraction turned into confusion. People had questions and couldn't get an answer, right? And confusion turned into lost opportunity, right? So what we did was we installed a website chatbot, right? So now when someone visits her site, a friendly message pops up. Hey there, looking for availability or pricing? I can help, right? The chatbot asks questions, gathers event dates, collects contact details, shows portfolio links, and pushes leads to book consultations. It feels like a real person standing at a front desk saying, can I help you with something? Right? Think about it. Now, we did that, and within 3 weeks, her inquiries went up by 52%, right? With the exact same website and the exact same traffic. The only difference was the interaction. So here's how you can implement a 24/7 chatbot on your website, right? The first step is identifying the main purpose of your chatbot. What do you want it to do? Do you want it to capture leads, answer FAQs? Do you want it to set appointments or route conversations? Knowing that builds your foundation, right? The second step is writing a friendly welcome message. This is like your digital handshake. A simple approach works best. Hey there, what brought you to the site today? Right? Easy, quick, simple. The third step is mapping your top questions. List the 5 or 10 things people usually ask through calls, emails, or social media. These become your instant replies, right? The fourth step is connecting your booking link. So when someone shows interest, the chatbot should be able to say, want to grab a spot on our calendar? Right? And from there, it should be able to show available times immediately, right? The fifth step is capturing contact information naturally. Users hate forms, y'all, right? And sometimes they feel a little bit scammy, but they'll happily type in their name and email if it feels like part of the conversation, right? Make it easy on yourself. The sixth step is setting up notifications. When someone chats, you should get alerts instantly. For example, someone just asking about pricing, right? That's the alert that you should get if someone reaches out on your chatbot and asks about pricing, right? Because you should know. So the seventh step is reviewing conversations weekly. Look at what people ask the most and improve your chatbot scripts over time. It gets smarter through real world use. Your chatbot will already be trained, right? It'll already be trained on your website, everything it needs to know. This is literally exactly how I run my website chat across all my brands. And I use GoHighLevel as my platform, right? It does it all. Their website chatbot automatically pops up. It responds in real time. It asks qualifying questions. It speaks like a human. It captures lead information and books appointments without you touching a button, right? It's one of your best employees, if not the best employee, right? Quiet, consistent, fast, and always working. No time off, right? If you want to experience this in your business, got something for you. I have the complete GoHighLevel launch offer ready for you, right? For free. When you sign up through my link right below, you get everything you need to start fast, right? You get a 30-day trial of GoHighLevel with full access to the entire platform. You get the live bootcamp, right? Where GoHighLevel instructors show you exactly how to set everything up step by step. They literally hold your hand through the entire process, right? You get a done for you snapshot, which instantly imports funnels, workflows, chatbots, and automation into your account. So you don't even have to do that, right? You get a ready to launch funnel / website that can start generating leads immediately. You get the lead generation playbook, teaching you how to find ready to buy leads. And you get a 5-day challenge, because we all know it's a 30-day trial is cool, but if it takes the whole 30 days, then what's the point, right? You get the SaaSpreneur playbook, showing you how to build automated recurring revenue with GoHighLevel as your main business or as a side hustle, right? You get access to a live Zoom classroom where you can ask questions and get support in real time. And on top of all of that, you get all the quick win automation tools. Missed call, text back, review automation, Google messaging, everything that you need, right? This is literally everything. The tools, the training that you need, the systems, and the support to automate your entire business, or at least most of it. Hit that link below, y'all, and start that free trial today. I'm Applewhite, and this is Applewhite Intelligence, teaching you how to save time, scale smarter, and automate your business. Peace, y'all.